It's 7:30 and getting dark, sunset, but look at this. The last layer's on and all the aluminum is nailed down. And I got all these holes too. So once I get the Geico tape, I'm calling for rain tomorrow, maybe even tonight. So I'll pull the aluminum on, of course, right here, roll it out, screw it down. This time I'm going to put a few more screws in because now I can screw this edge and maybe 4 there. And then we'll be good. Once I get the Geico tape and we have a nice day, come back up, roll it, peel it back to here, Geico all that, and then let it set for a bit and then put it down. And this task will be complete. Except for I want to do some seams yet too on the roof. So it's getting to be fall and it's quite cold, especially today. I bet we're in the 40s right now. Okay. Let's get it back down. Be ready for the rain. Call it a day.